Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. I know y'all been waiting on this video, so I made it a point to make sure I get it out to y'all today. And these nails are from Temu, so shout out to Temu for sponsoring this video. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we always want to do is make sure we are picking the correct size nails for our nail beds, and clearly that nail is too small for my thumb and it's too big for my middle finger. So basically you just got to pull all the nails out, go through the sizes and see what they have in the pack to make sure you are picking the right nail size for your nail beds. It should be completely covering your nail bed from side wall to side wall, like so. So I went ahead and sized all my fingers and got my correct nail sizes, and this is how I spread all the nails out so I can see exactly what this pack of nails is working with. And I love how they have multiple sizes for different fingers. Like it was multiple thumbnails, multiple pinkies, multiple pointer fingers, so you have multiple sizes to choose from to make sure that you find one that fits your nail beds. And up next, as you guys can see, my natural nail beds are very moisturized and shiny, so we're going to take the nail file that came in the pack of these nails and just file down that shiny surface from my natural nails. And you don't have to do this aggressively, just enough to knock the shine off. And this is how my nails look after I've done that. And as you can see, I didn't go too far with it. I did just enough to get that shine off the top of my natural nails. And then next, I am going to spray my nails down with some alcohol. This further dehydrates the nails. As y'all know, I've been kind of skeptical on using nail dehydrator because I feel like alcohol or acetone solution does the same thing. So we're using alcohol. And I am applying these nails with my handy dandy Temu nail glue. This nail glue is very strong. It holds my nails up to 2 weeks, and it probably would hold them longer, but I never wear my nails more than a week lately because I'm trying to, get into different sets and get this content out for you guys. And I love to switch my sets whenever I want to, which is the convenient part about press-on nails. You can switch your nails up anytime you want to, and Temu definitely got some bomb nails. These nails that I am applying right now, the quality is definitely giving salon quality. They are not thin at all. They have a nice curve to them that fits my nail beds. They are definitely sturdy. This is not one of those sets that bends or breaks easily. I love the design on this nail, how it has that chrome powder effect on the blue part, and then it has like that peachy color in the background. Like the color of these nails are just everything to me. And I love how you can get the chrome powder effect without having to do the chrome powder yourself, which is another reason why I love press-on nails. Because if you were to get this same length and design in the nail shop, you would be paying a pretty penny. But no, these nails were only $1.99, and they will be linked in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check the links in the description. Use my referral code if you are new to Temu to get an exclusive discount on your order, which is FAVE23582. There's also a link for you to download the app, so make sure you check the description box for the nails, the glue, and the links to download Temu, and my discount code is all linked in the description, so check it out. And just like that, all the nails are on. The last thing we need to do is apply our cuticle oil, of course, because we cannot have a fresh set of nails without hydrating and moisturizing our cuticles. That goes hand in hand when you are applying your press-on nails. Do not forget to apply your cuticle oil after you have applied them all. And one thing that I didn't mention in this video is when you are applying your nails, make sure you apply them with a nice bubble of glue and then line your press-on nail up with your cuticle area. Press down and hold for 30 seconds, and also make sure you are pressing against your side walls so that you have full, complete coverage of your nails. And this is the finished look of the nails. These nails are not going nowhere. As you guys can see, I'm doing the glue test and they are super sturdy. I put these nails on Sunday. Today is Friday, January 19th. So we almost at a full week with these nails on and they are still going strong. I am going to take them off today because I'm going to get into some new sets coming up this week. My birthday is on Tuesday, so you know I got to put on a fresh set for my birthday. Aquarius season officially starts tomorrow, January 20th, so I'm about to be acting up during Aquarius season, and we're gonna get into some bomb sets, so make sure you guys stay tuned for more. If you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video and drop a comment and let me know how you feeling these nails. And if you feeling them, make sure you check the description box, download the Temu app, use my referral code FAVE23582 and get you some of these nails. I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.